Sorry about that. Hello. Bruce Quincy! My tortoise just peed all over my toy.
tortoise.
Her tortoise just peed all over my computer. Disgusting. Now he's in a box and you're escaping. Get in.
We're just gonna show you Tetley for today. We'll do our dog step.
No, we won't.
No, we're gonna do our dogs in a separate video.
Let's call that.
It will all be uploaded next video, which will be in a couple of minutes.
Okay. There's the dog.
No.
Don't make you. Okay.
You don't.
Okay, so first up, let me just shut my window so we might get that light in.
Yeah.
Then
We have the books.
get in!
This is our black-headed cape. He is about 2 years old now. He's like, what? What's happening? He has long wings.
She's been in some of her other videos and that.
Yeah. If you go on my channel, there's been him playing Play Dead. I don't know if I can do that again on him. I might be able to.
I see, go on.
Play Dead. Well, he can't play Dead, but I can put him upside down. Ooh. And then there's been... What's the other one I've done?
We got him, and don't you dare. Let me move that first.
It's like milk.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, he's a bug. He's our black-headed cape parrot. Get him out, he's a playful little chap.
My stupid
Just
tortoise
be careful.
peed.
I think it's a she, she probably has
You
hormones.
can see it, my tortoise just there. There. He just peed all over everything.
And Tetley's probably going to poop. How I know Tetley poops, he's always go like this. Wiggles his tail and goes...
And you're cleaning it up.
And that's why I'm putting him over the edge. I don't want anyone near me.
No, go on your mattress, huh? So that is Tetley.
And he adores the window, so we're just going to leave him climbing on me for now.
I think next time we'll just do tortoises because they're right here and then we can go put them back outside.
Yeah.
Okay, so just go to a side because we don't know what he's like with...
Bye!